Good day to the organizers of GAR International Online Invention Challenge 2026. I am Raymond B. Peñaflor, and I am proud to share that I served as coach for Team Angel and Team Gargantua. And I am overjoyed to say that both teams won and brought home awards in this competition. So I would love to share my feedback, what I appreciated most, and some suggestions I believe will make this event even better in the years ahead. Thank you for giving me this chance to share my thoughts. So what do I like and commended? First, let me highlight all the things that were excellently done, truly, and appreciated. So, first, the rules and guidelines released earlier, it was very helpful that the mechanics and rules were shared way before the competition started. This gave us enough time to guide my students and give everyone enough time to study, understand, and prepare properly. That really helped us perform our best. Number two, the pre-submission of reports and videos. Submitting project reports and presentation videos before the actual demonstration was a great move. It allowed judges to review our work beforehand, understand our inventions deeply, and have a fair baseline scoring even before the live presentation. This made the judging process thorough and organized. Next, the third one is punctuality and good time management. I truly commend the organizers for sticking strictly to the schedule. Any small delays we experienced were not caused by your team at all. It was only because some participants joined late. Despite that, the program flowed smoothly and professionally. Judges provide clear feedback and summaries. That's my fourth one. I also appreciated that some of the judges gave detailed feedback and comments for some teams after the result. This is very valuable. It helps the students clearly see their strength, recognize areas to improve, and learn from the experience. This kind of constructive input is very meaningful for young inventors. The fifth one is the online format, which is truly commendable. This is one of the best features of this challenge. Holding it online opens doors for talented students who cannot join international events due to financial limits or travel costs. It gives every bright young mind an equal chance to shine, showcase their talent, and interact with other nationalities from home. This is a wonderful, inclusive initiative. Keep it up. Number six, lastly, recognition and awards. Thank you so much for granting our request to give medals to the winners. These are very meaningful keepsakes, something students can keep forever to remember their achievement. I was honestly a bit surprised that the price changed from the originally announced AI STEAM 101S version 2 kit, but I'm still very grateful for the kit you provided. Thank you for valuing and rewarding the students' hard work. Now, next for the part two, the suggestions for improvement. To make the next edition even more exciting, organized, and fair, here are my suggestions. Number one, this provides standard outlines for reports and videos. While pre-submission was great, it would be even better if you shared a fixed outline or structure for both the project report and video presentation. For reports, tell us exactly what sections to include and the order to follow. This ensures all important details are complete and help judges compare entries easily. For videos, give a recommended sequence like introduction, then the problem, then the solution, the features of the robot, the testing, and the conclusion. Just for example, okay? And then this guides students to present their ideas clearly and logically. So next, The second one is make the waiting time fun and lively. While waiting for the final results, it can get quite boring. I suggest adding short online games, quizzes, or fun challenges related to science and invention or robotics so that the students can join and enjoy. Having the host interview participants, this is your other option. The host may interview the participants about their experience, their challenges, or what they learned. Or and even during this time, there should be a lively upbeat background so that there's music all throughout that duration while waiting for the announcement of the winners. Es- Especially during breaks or waiting periods, you may also include musical background to keep the energy high. Okay. Also, we hope that more countries will participate and there would be categorization by age. We hope to see even more countries to join next time. Also, please group the participants by age or educational level. Students of different ages have different knowledge levels and thinking abilities. Competing within their own age group ensures fairness and that judging matches their capacity. Fourth one is the longer preparation time. 1 month is quite short to finish a high quality invention from research, design, building, testing to documentation. I suggest extending the preparation period to at least 45 to 50 days. So this extra time will let students refine their work and produce even more better and more innovative projects. So overall, the GAR International Online Invention Challenge 2026 is a great and wonderful and meaningful experience for us. Thank you for giving the students this precious opportunity to learn, to explore, and to break their own limits. Thank you very much.